Welcome. Today, we're diving into the art of hosting a fun and successful dinner party. From crafting the perfect menu to setting a breathtaking table, we've got all the tips you need to impress your guests. Let's get started. Step 1. Plan your menu. Start by choosing dishes that will delight your guests and are within your culinary skills. Remember to consider any dietary restrictions or allergies. Plan for an appetizer, main course, and dessert that flows together delightfully. Step 2. Invite your guests. Send out your invitations, whether via card, email, or social media event. Make sure to include the date, time, and location. Don't forget to ask for confirmations to know how many people will attend. Step 3. Prepare your home. Get your dining area ready by choosing a theme or color scheme and setting your table with dishware, glasses, and cutlery. Add some atmospheric decor like candles or flowers to create a cozy environment. Step 4. Cook and serve your dishes. Begin cooking early to have everything ready when your guests arrive. Ensure your dishes are served at the right time and arrange everything for a smooth meal. Don't forget to offer drinks and create a seating arrangement for your guests. Step 5. Enjoy your party. Once everything is set, it's time to enjoy. Be a gracious host by warmly welcoming your guests and making sure everyone feels comfortable. The key is to have a fantastic time. And there you have it. That's how to host a successful dinner party. We hope these tips help you plan an amazing evening. Don't forget to subscribe for more party tips and share your dinner party experiences in the comments. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy your next gathering.